What up, internet? So, my friend gave me this cookbook by Chrissy Teigen. Shout out Maya for being that friend. So, I've been staring at it and wondering if I could really pull off a recipe in here. So, I gathered up the courage and decided to give it a try and document it. We are going to try this red chicken curry because I've been into Asian food lately. And also, let's try something more complex than just stir fry and rice. So, here are the ingredients I'll need. It's time to figure out, can I cook like Chrissy? First, chop up all the things. And the things are eggplant, potatoes, onion, garlic, and ginger, bell pepper. Also grab yourself some dried peppers, basil for garnish, coconut milk, and this is important, red curry paste, buy that, brown sugar. Oh, this is what my people call patis or fish sauce. Okay, cook up your chicken. Throw in the onions after. Peek at that red bell pepper that got through. Then pour in all the wet stuff like the coconut milk, brown sugar, fish sauce. Yes, brown sugar is wet in this case, okay? And then have everyone else join the party again. And then let that simmer and let it do its thing. It's cooking, we're cooking. Check that out. We're almost done. Super easy. Bam! There you have it. Red chicken curry. Did I nail it? Does it look like Chrissy's? Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye!